pullbacks to some degree. Metals, real estate and IT services stocks did better. If you want to look at the Nifty large cap gainers and losers, Hindalco, Apollo Hospitals and Tata Motors were the three top gainers. On the losing side, you had Dr. Reddy's, ITC and Coal India, which lost out. That's Dr. Reddy's, ITC and Coal India. But as we've been saying, I think the real action was in the broader markets, and so many of these stocks with gains of between 5 and 15%. Rima.
We spoke about so many of the gainers, so let me quickly run our viewers through the losers today. Sun TV down 9%, revenues were a miss, down 32%, and even the ad revenue growth for Sun TV trailed Zee Entertainment. So Sun TV's ad revenues were up 1.1% on a quarter-on-quarter basis, while for Zee Entertainment, it was up 3.7%. Zee also, by the way, was under pressure, down 2.5%. BHEL, which reported an EBITDA loss, declined. Trident, weak numbers. Campus Footwear has been losing ground for the last couple of days since its numbers, down 30% in the last 1 month. Bharat Forge, margin miss. The stock declined in trade. And Zomato, too, has given up some of the gains from last week. Nigel?
Well, that's right, Rima. It was that sort of a day, right? The Nifty, the final tick actually is closer to the low point of the day, 18,300. But as we've been saying, it's par for the course. The mid-cap index is going to end as flat as can be. However, by the time we wound up, well, more number of stocks were declining than advancing. We had 1,600 stocks on the NSE that were lower in comparison to around 1,300 stocks that were advancing in trade. The Nifty Bank as well started with a lot of promise, holding on to that 42,000 odd mark on a closing basis, but did come off substantially from the high point of the day. Some consolidation seen, well, pretty much okay for the bulls. For the time being, though, we'll have to wrap up on this edition of Closing Bell, but you don't go anywhere. Mr. Ramesh Thamani is back with us today on the Wizards of the Lal Street. Catch the market veteran